Alright, another vintage fan saved from the trash. Well, I got it home and it's here in my room, and here it is. This is the Lakewood P-223 box fan, similar to my brown M-223 something box fan. Yeah. So, tested it out, and it works. Oh, crap. Crap flying everywhere. That's not good. It works on all speeds, but it's gonna need a cleaning, and it's also gonna need it's also gonna need some repairs on the front grille. It's got a big missing chunk from it, and I have the pieces that were inside. Like, I thought they were like thrown out, but luckily they're all inside. So once I get this cleaned up, it'll be repaired, and yeah, that's basically it.